I'm going to show you how to make butter and buttermilk using heavy whipping cream. First thing you do, take a whisk attachment, put it on your KitchenAid, take some heavy whipping cream and pour 2 cups into a measuring cup and dump it in the KitchenAid bowl. You can use a hand mixer if you'd like, but the KitchenAid's a lot easier. So start it off on a slow speed so it doesn't splash. It is a hot mess and all, so I've learned that lesson. Once it gets to the whipping cream stage, take a spatula and scrape down the sides of the bowl and the whisk. Turn the KitchenAid onto a higher speed. Watch it go. This will go on for a few more minutes, but every now and again, you're going to have to scrape down the side of the bowl. Get that cream right down the middle. Looking good. It's starting to separate now. So those little curds are butter, and you can start to see the buttermilk. Slow it down so the buttermilk doesn't splash. I've learned my lesson. What's really cool is the butter is getting captured into the whisk, so that's a good sign. And once you get a good amount of buttermilk at the bottom there, it's done. There you have it. Butter. So pour the buttermilk into a mesh, into a glass cup. Separate the butter. My friends, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of butter, just by using whipping cream.